Welcome to another episode of Silent Superheroes, where we use the power of slow, calm breathing to give us real-world superpowers. So let's take a big, slow breath in through our nose and out through our mouth. Today we're going to use the power of slow, calm breathing to make us heal. We're going to regenerate. We're going to get super strong, super powerful, and super healthy with the power of our calm breath and the power of taking our medication or using our creams. You ready? Let's take another slow, calm breath. Sometimes, unfortunately, we might get a little bit sick or a little bit sore. And to get better, we need to take medication, or we need to use some sort of cream, or do something else that might not feel like that much fun. But the thing is, when we take those medications or use that cream, we're getting better. And do you know what getting better means? It means we're getting super strong. Super healthy. And if we're super strong and super healthy, do you know what that means? It means we can play. It means we can have fun. It means we can do whatever we want to do. So, when it's time to take your medication, I want you to take 3 slow breaths. 3 slow, calm, silent superhero breaths. And then we'll take our medication, knowing that it's going to make us super strong, super happy, super healthy. Are you ready? Let's do 3 breaths right now. Now, if you ever have to take your medication or your cream and you're feeling a little bit scared, or you just don't want to, maybe you think it tastes yucky or it feels funny or anything like that, that's okay. Just say to your parents or your grandparents or your carer, say, "Oh, this feels a little bit funny," or "This doesn't taste very good, but I'm going to take a big slow breath and do it anyway." You ready? Alright, I think you're ready to take your medication now. We're going to do it on 3. You ready? I'm going to count backwards from 3. I'm going to go 3, 2, 1. Big slow breath, and then you're going to take your medication. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Big slow breath. Alright, time to take your medication now. Great work. And remember, taking your medications and your creams will make you super strong, super happy, super healthy, and then you can do whatever you like. You can play, you can have fun, you can enjoy yourself. Anytime you're worried about your medication, just do 1 big slow breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Great work. This talk was taken from the book Mindfulness, a guidebook to the present moment